This is you. You have big goals, big ideas, big dreams. You want to start a business, learn a new skill, or create something meaningful. You know you're capable of great things. But there's a problem. You're waiting for the perfect moment. You tell yourself, I'll start when I have more time. I'll do it when everything is just right. But guess what? That perfect moment never comes. Perfectionism isn't helping you. It's stopping you from even starting. It makes you overthink, procrastinate, and doubt yourself. If you want to achieve something, you need to break free from this mindset. Here are 5 ways. How being perfectionism is killing your ambition and how to fix it. 1. You're always waiting for the right time. You tell yourself, I'll start when I feel ready. But that day never arrives. There will always be something that isn't perfect, another reason to wait. Meanwhile, others with less talent and fewer resources are already making progress. They're learning, growing, and improving while you're stuck waiting. So, stop waiting for the perfect moment. Start now, adjust later. Every successful person started before they were ready. You can't improve something that doesn't exist. Imagine, what if Steve Jobs had waited for the perfect time to start Apple? He built the first computer in a garage. It wasn't perfect, but he started anyway. 2. You're trapped in overthinking mode. You analyze every detail. You think of all the ways things could go wrong. Instead of progress, all you have is a list of what-ifs in your head. Give yourself deadlines and stick to them. Done is better than perfect. Set a time limit for decision-making, then move forward. Think about students who spend hours rewriting one sentence instead of finishing their essay. They miss deadlines while others submit their work and improve from feedback. 3. You fear failure. More than success. Perfectionists hate making mistakes. They think failure means they're not good enough. So instead of risking embarrassment, they play it safe. They stay in their comfort zone and never grow. Change your perspective. Failure isn't the opposite of success, it's part of it. Every mistake is a lesson. Every setback is progress. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. Instead of giving up, he used failure as fuel. Now, he's one of the greatest athletes of all time. 4. You never finish what you start. Maybe you do start. Maybe you even make progress, but you never actually finish because you keep tweaking, editing, and trying to make it perfect. Your project that should have taken a week has now taken months, and it's still not done. Follow the 80-20 rule, get something 80% good, then move on. Most people won't even notice that. Last 20% of them tiny improvements. Imagine writers who spend years trying to perfect a book, never publish anything. Meanwhile, others release their work, get feedback, and improve with each book. 5. You burn out before you see results. Perfectionists push themselves too hard. They set impossible standards and expect every attempt to be flawless. But that pressure is exhausting. Instead of steady progress, they get overwhelmed and give up. Focus on consistency, not perfection. Small, imperfect steps every day will take you further than occasional bursts of perfection. A person who works out 3 days a week consistently will get fitter than someone who goes hard for a month and quits. Perfectionism is not a strength, it's a trap. It slows you down, drains your energy, and keeps you stuck. If you wait for perfection, you'll wait forever. If you fear failure, you'll never grow. The only way forward is to start, learn, and improve as you go. So, stop overthinking, stop waiting, just start. That's how you win. Thank you for watching. If this message resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Remember, progress beats perfection every time. Start today, keep moving forward, and success will follow. Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. See you next time.